Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you log out Google Photos on iPhone. So at first, just go to Google Photos. Now in the Google Photos, click the top right your profile icon, and after clicking it, click the icon here, and after clicking it, click on manage accounts on this device. Now here you can see remove from this device, click on it. Now click on remove. And here you can see the Google account has been logged out. So guys, that's how you can log out Google Photos on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.